Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Learning with MedhaTeja. Today let's learn sliding puzzle. This is a 3x3 puzzle. The numbers are from 1 to 8. Here we have to arrange the numbers in increasing order, usually from left to right. Let's solve the puzzle using the empty square.